You're not stuck. You're just believing the wrong story.
We all feel it, something pulling us back. Fear.
Addiction words spoken over you that still echo in your mind. Maybe it's your past. Mistakes you keep replaying like a broken loop. Or struggles that won't let go. Your health, your family, your finances. It feels like chains. Like no matter how hard you try, you can't move forward. But hear this. You were never created to live bound. That limitation, it's not your identity. That addiction, not your destiny. That past, not your future. You've just gotten used to the chains, but comfort in bondage is still bondage. Jesus didn't come to make you slightly better. He came to make you completely free. Not halfway free, not almost there. Unquestionably free. Free in your mind, free in your spirit, free in your life. That means no pretending, no covering things up. You are whole, you are healed, you are blessed. You are walking in victory. So today, stop rehearsing your past and start declaring your freedom. If you're choosing freedom today, type "I am free" in the comments and share this with someone who needs to break their chains.